Welcome back to another video. Today we got a ToolBox stuffers. It says 3 days only, Friday November 22nd through Sunday November 24th. We got a 30% off. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and tool Black Friday deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. First of all, we got a 30% off coupon. As you guys see here, the difference between this and the other ones is that we got a limit of 9. Before we used to have a limit of 5. So now they pretty much gave us a little break there, and now we have 9 items you can get with this 30% off coupon. If you guys don't know what to get with this coupon, I do have a few videos out there. I'll see if I can link them up above. But yeah, I have like 2 or 3 videos I made already where you can get 5 items for with this 30% off coupon. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the rest of the coupons. You got a free coupon for the LED light. Definitely worth. These lights are nice. You got the industrial grade electrical tape, 59 cents. These are always nice. It's always nice to have it on the toolbox on the truck in case you need to repair something. Got the 1/2 inch by 21 feet. What is this? Plumber's thread seal tape. Yeah, this is really nice, especially if you have those hoses or that when you're screwing up a hose and it leaks water everywhere, or when you're doing plumbing, some sort of plumbing, or when you're just replacing like a hose babe or something. So these are so like useful. 69 cents. You got the poly paintbrush, 69 cents. Not the best ever, but it works. You got the 9-piece funnel set, 79 cents. Socket rails, 79 cents. Multi-purpose scissors, 79 cents. Not the best ever. This used to be a free item, and now I guess they're selling it. This used to be a free item too. Well worth it though, at 99 cents. Pack of 4. This used to be another free item too. This is a 4-inch magnetic parts holder, 129. Safety glasses, 129. Got the 7-inch bench brush, 149. You got the 4-in-1 aluminum rafter angle square, 199. 11-inch cable ties, pack of 100, 199. Got a 1-inch by 25 feet quick find tape measure, 219. I believe there's a coupon out there for this for free. I gotta check I'll see if I can make a video of those coupons. We got a 3-piece hex shank socket driver set. $2.99. This used to be $1 or $1.49, I believe. But yeah, it's $3. We're under $3. 16-ounce fiberglass hammers, $2.99. This used to be free too. Now they're selling it. 18-inch magnetic tool holder, $2.99. You got the 9-piece quick release magnetic nut sellers, $3.99. Folding lockback utility knife, $3.99. Great knife there. You got the 12-piece cushion grip screwdriver set, $4.99. Not the best ever, but it'll get the job done. 2 15-lumen magnetic work lights, $4.99. These lights are great, guys. And they do take normal batteries, which is AA. And you can find those batteries just about anywhere. So definitely a great light to have. 5mm powder free nitro gloves, $5.99. These are great, especially if you're doing cleaning around the house, light duty use. Not for the mechanic, but just for the light duty use. These are great to keep the chemicals away from your hands. You got the 9-piece 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch wobble set. It's always been $9.99. 4.5 angle gun, the $11.99. We see this for $9.99, but haven't seen that lately, so this is the lowest we have. Click type torque wrench. Yeah, same thing with this. We've seen it for $9.99, but we haven't seen it lately. Single speed multi tool, $13.99. 7-piece combination ratcheting wrench set, $19.99. You got the 18-volt lithium ion coreless 3/8 drill driver, $27.99. We've seen this for $24.99. Check out the Black Friday deal, or Black Friday video I have. Just put Black Friday Toolhead 147 or Harbor Freight Black Friday Toolhead 147. on the search section of YouTube, and you're gonna see that video. I'll see if I can link it up above for you guys. You got the 6-inch variable speed dual polisher, $59.99. A Pro Air Impact wrenches, $129.99, your choice. 20-volt lithium cordless extreme torque 1/2 inch impact wrench kit, $229.99. Definitely recommend this for you guys. You got the 13-piece 1/2 inch drive deep impact socket sets, $18.99. Definitely recommend it. It is $1 cheaper than before, so this is the cheapest. 64-piece 1 4/3/8 and 1/2 inch drive socket set, $29.99. Got the ball bearing joint service kit, 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive vehicles, $59.99. This is definitely a nice little kit to have on the vehicle. 130-piece toolkit with the case, $29.99. 105-piece toolkit with the 4-door chest, $32.99. 225-piece mechanics toolkit, $99.99, and then $169 for this 301. I'm not really a fan of these because I like to choose my own tools. I like to choose my own pliers, my own sets, everything. Pretty much they just try to cram everything that they can into these smaller bits and stuff that you're not ever going to use. So anyways, you got the 26 by 22 single bank extra deep cabinets, $279.99. You got the 44 by 22 double bank extra deep cabinets, $449.99. And you got the 56 by 22, $699. These are going to be on sale. I believe they're going to be for $399 for $400 on the Black Friday. So definitely I recommend you go to the Black Friday ad and to buy those items. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And stay tuned for more Black Friday deals, more tool reviews, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.